So it's gardening time of the year. And here I am again talking about bending and lifting. And I want to speak a little bit about the blue zone. If you haven't seen the documentary, you ought to see it because it brings to life what I have been saying my whole life, my whole professional life that I've been teaching how to move. And that is your everyday life moves are exercise. Actually, they are much more than that. So let's go ahead and get into it. So when I have mulch and I'm working to spread my mulch and I'm doing all these things, I'm enjoying knowing how to bend. And you think, well, I know how to bend. No, I mean the art of bending. And then I'm going to pick something up in a minute, maybe this mulch, and I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to throw it on my shoulder and I'm going to take it over to another bed and I'm going to enjoy the whole process of these movements. And the whole reason I enjoy it is because my life movements are as important as any movement. And they are exercise, but we have gotten to the point where we're labeling things, and that's when it loses meaning. Because, as a kid, you just went out and played. So I'm just coming out and playing. So when you bend, don't forget, it's all about keeping this long, keeping that arch, keeping these short. Short arms, long backside. Have a good summer.